This is Redmi A1 and today I would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, connect your device to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app. At the search bar, type in the Opera. Then tap on the green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now you can go ahead and launch the Opera. While opening it for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So in here, tap on this blue continue button. Then decide whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app. I'll skip this step. Then finally, you can either customize the permissions that you're going to grant to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.